Welcome to another day of our Share the Magic adventures.
Our vacation.
Yes, it's we decided to start it with the I Love
You float.
Yeah, I Love You float with Fanta and strawberry. So we're gonna try it now. You first. I like your shirt, by the way.
Thank you.
It actually matches you.
It is delicious.
Right? I think
I think they put pop rocks on it.
Yeah.
You can hear the popping.
Well, I was looking for purple float, but I found the orange or red, whatever. It's also super hot today, so it should be really nice and, you know, cool.
This is refreshing, and there is pop rocks on it.
Cool. So this is where you can get the float, and here's the description. Done.
I'm enjoying myself.
Oh, I wanted to. Don't drink the whole thing. Oh, you drank almost the whole thing. You drink the whole Fanta.
Well, I told you to take it when I did, but then you decided to walk away.
It's good. It is good.
Hi everyone, we are in Cosmic Rays right now. Gonna try the Halloween Monster Burger.
Yeah.
And we have sorry if I can't pronounce it, the cat's tail. Basically the same thing we ate in Animal Kingdom, but this is themed to the Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland.
And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good. I'm really excited for burger. You have no idea, guys, how it's nice to sit down. It's so hot today.
It's not crowded, but it's busy. So
I mean, heat doesn't help.
Yeah, it's like 88 degrees right now. But this burger has Munster cheese, bacon, lettuce, tomato, and it's branded with a nice Mickey logo.
It has the potato things.
Oh, it has what on it?
Potato tots.
Oh, it has potato tots on it too?
Yeah.
That's cool. Very cool.
So we're gonna try it. Take this. Brendan is attacking fries.
Nothing like a good fry.
I cut it in half.
There's the cross section. I might be really hungry, but it's a tasty burger. Bacon. It's like, you know, that's actually real bacon, not like, you know, really
Fake bacon?
Yeah. Munster cheese is always good. Honestly, it's one of the better cheeses. And can't go wrong with some tater tots. Tasty, and it's crunchy. Also, the crunch of the lettuce is nice too. I give this one a thumbs up. So we just ate the burger. Absolutely delicious. Recommend it. Anastasia, I'm assuming you recommend it too, because there's nothing left.
I mean, I ate it and I'm so close. Yeah, we both ate the burger and I figured I can just show Brandon and his reaction, so I did like it too. It was good.
Yeah, because the lighting isn't so good, because she's sitting against the window, so...
Brandon now is the
So now I'm the star.
Genie P.
Now you can look at my beautiful face that's all
And
sunburnt and sweaty. Alright, so now we're going to do the cat's tail.
a little off-color, but look at our farmer's tent. Yeah, sorry.
cat's tail.
It's bigger than your hand.
That's nice.
Try it. I mean, it should be as good as Tigger. Oh, can you imagine if you were wearing the same t-shirt and trying the Tigger tail?
It's good. It's delicious.
So, we are
Hello, everyone.
on the Thunder Mountain ride. Decided to do the good rides at the end with less crowds.
This was earlier, what, 50-minute wait? Now it's 30, but we didn't even wait 30. We waited at least
Like 10 max.
So-
Yeah. So if you see 30 at the end of the day, it's probably like 10-15 minutes.
sometimes the risk is definitely worth the reward. Go for it.
Yeah, so see you.
Otherwise, if you wait that long, don't blame me.
I will blame Brandon. And our train is coming from there. Yay! Excited?
A little bit. I was looking at the Ghost bracelet. It had a bunch of treats on it. I was like, oh, I'm jealous.
So we're going.
We're in the last row. That means fast row.
Yeah. How was it?
It was good.
It was fast.
I like fast rides. I mean, who does it?
Oh, that was great. It was nice wind. It was so nice to sit. So we're back. So the park is closing in like 19 minutes. And this is the line for Pirates of the Caribbean. Well, they say it's what, 30 minutes? It doesn't look like 30 minutes. Yeah. We were thinking to do the Splash Mountain again, but the line was longer. Also, it's a water ride, and we did it once already.
Didn't want to get wet before we go home, so
yeah, so we decided we want to do a chill ride, relax, enjoy Pirates of the Caribbean. So yeah,
At least
now we
if
have
you-
to stay here.
because at least if you do a water ride earlier, you can dry off.
Interesting fact. Yesterday we were in Universal, and it was super hot, like 85 degrees. So
hotter.
maybe hotter, yeah. And of all days we were there, the water rides were 5 minutes wait. Not even, you could just like walk in and do the water ride. And as soon as we decided to do yesterday this ride, because it was so hot, it was like 75 minutes wait. Why? I guess everyone was hot and everyone wanted to do the ride.
Yeah, it was long.
It was super
So
long.
we didn't even do it.
So we decided to go back to the hotel and just chill.
Actually, before that, we did Dr. Seuss. It was only a 5-minute wait, so we just did it twice because it was so cold in there.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
Can you imagine? Can you get a bucket? Oh, we're turned off. I just want a bucket. That's all I want.
Little Brandon here wants his popcorn bucket.
I just want a bucket. I don't even want the popcorn. Popcorn's good.
But they have good popcorn.
I just want the bucket.
Oh. Jungle Cruise. It was fun. I like Jungle Cruise. So we are done with the rides because everything is closed. Brandon, what do you think?
Today was a successful, long day.
Is he gonna spit on them? He should. That's what he does. And you know what's gonna happen? He's gonna spit on us.
Oh.
That happened to me once. I like your t-shirt. So yeah, that was a fun day. So this is our last day in Magic Kingdom, and this is the last, view on the castle before we leave. Are you upset?
A little bit.
I'll come back.
I mean, we'll be back, yes, but just hopefully soon.
Yeah, that's a nice castle. Look, people are leaving already. It's finally, you can breathe now.
I mean, it's cooling down now. Now you got a breeze. There was not really much of a breeze earlier.
Oh, that's our live streamer over there.
Yeah, he's live streaming.
He's following us. Right?
One day
The
when we
fourth
have
girl.
followers, hopefully you guys will follow us on the live stream.
Yep. So, that was it for today.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
Here's the castle. Here's us. And it was a good day.
Very busy day. If you liked what you saw, like, comment, subscribe for more videos.
And yeah, thanks for watching. We appreciate it a lot. We hope you really enjoyed it. So subscribe for more and don't forget to share the magic with everyone else.
Bye.
Bye.